Aloha, it's Tani here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make the dry rub version of Huli Huli Chicken. Here's the list of ingredients, and I'll be showing you how we're going to do it. First, prepare your chicken by spatchcocking it. To do this, remove the spine by cutting along both sides with the kitchen scissors. Don't throw the spine away. You can save it for homemade chicken broth later. Once removed, flatten the chicken as much as you can. Next, make the marinade by combining shoyu, sugar, water, and sliced garlic in a bowl, stirring until the sugar dissolves. Place your chicken in a flat baking dish and pour the marinade over it. Cover and refrigerate for 6 to 12 hours, flipping the chicken every 2 hours so it marinates evenly. While the chicken is marinating, prepare your dry rub by mixing paprika, cayenne pepper, garlic salt, and black pepper in a small bowl. Once the chicken has finished marinating, pat it dry on all sides. Then coat it generously with the dry rub mixture, making sure every part of the chicken is covered. For this cook, I use my Traeger grill. Preheat your grill to 375 degrees Fahrenheit with the lid closed. Using fruit wood pellets like cherry, guava, or apple for a sweet smoke. If you want a more authentic local flavor, burn some kiave wood chips in a smoke tube and place it next to the chicken. Insert a probe into the thickest part of the breast and place the chicken directly on the grill grates, breast side up. Close the lid and cook until the internal temperature reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit, which should take about 70 minutes, depending on the size of your chicken. Flip the chicken occasionally, also known as huli, to ensure even cooking and beautiful color. Once the chicken reaches 160 degrees Fahrenheit, increase the grill temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and cook for an additional 10 minutes to crisp up the skin. Remove the chicken from the grill and let it rest until the internal temperatures reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Carve your chicken, serve, and enjoy your own delicious homemade Huli Huli chicken.